In this video, we're going to take a look at the types of angles formed by transversals. First, we need to take a look at a transversal itself. A transversal is a line that intersects two other lines. So if we look at the example here on the screen, you'll notice that the transversal is the line going straight up and down, cutting through the other two lines. Interior angles are all the angles that are between the two lines that are cut by the transversal. So in this case, you'll notice the interior angles are between the two lines. So all of the interior angles are like angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Exterior angles are all of the angles that are not in between the two lines cut by the transversal. So list all the exterior angles in the picture. All the exterior angles are angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Alternate interior angles are two interior angles that are diagonal from each other. They're on opposite sides of the transversal. So what angle is an alternate interior angle to angle 3? So we find angle 3, we look on the opposite side of that transversal. You'll notice angle 6 is alternate or opposite of angle 3, making angle 6 the alternate interior angle to angle 3. Notice the keywords alternate, meaning on opposite sides of the transversal, and interior, meaning it has to be an interior angle. So what angle is an alternate interior angle to angle 5? Locate angle 5, go on the opposite side or alternate side of that transversal, and you'll notice you land at angle 4, so angle 4 is an alternate interior angle to angle 5. Alternate exterior angles are two exterior angles that are diagonal from each other or on alternate sides of that transversal. So if we look at angle 1, you'll notice that if you go on the opposite side of that transversal and land on the other exterior angle that is opposite of angle 1, you'll land on angle 8. So what angle is an alternate exterior angle to angle 7? When we locate angle 7, you go on the opposite side of that transversal and you find the exterior angle that is on the opposite side of that transversal, or diagonal from angle 7, and you land on angle 2 is an alternate exterior angle to angle 7. Same side interior angles. Same side interior angles are two angles that are on the same side of the transversal, and they both need to be interior angles. So if we look at angle 6, the same side interior angle to angle 6 is angle 4. Name two other same side interior angles. Well, the other same side interior angles in this example are angle 3 and angle 5 because they're on the same side of the transversal and they're both interior angles. So angle 3 and angle 5. Same side exterior angles. Same side exterior angles are two exterior angles that are on the same side of the transversal. So looking at the example, if we look at angle 1, you'll notice that angle 7 is on the same side of the transversal and it is also an exterior angle. So angle 1 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles, as are angle 2 and angle 8. Let's take a look at some review vocabulary. Linear pairs are two angles that make a straight line. So, for example, angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair because angle 1, this angle here, combined with angle 2, this one right next to it, make up the straight line right here. What other angle will form a linear pair with angle 8? There's actually two different options, but if we look at angle 8, you'll notice that angle 7 makes a straight line with angle 8. Or you could say angle 6, because angle 6 and angle 8 make up the straight line right there. And vertical angles. Vertical angles are two angles that are diagonal from each other at an intersection. So they're right next to each other, sort of. Not diagonal like we looked at before, but let's take a look at a couple of examples. So angle 2 and angle 3 are vertical angles. Notice the two angles meet, the little points, the vertices of those angles meet where angle 2 and 3 touch. So they're vertical angles. They're diagonal from each other. As are angles 5 and angle 8 are also vertical angles. There are a couple other pairs of vertical angles in the picture. See if you can identify those. Angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical angles, as are angle 7 and angle 6.